Today we're going to go over how to repair your wobbly cushion. This happens to be chest or lumbar, either way. They're both the same. First thing you're going to do is tighten your tension up all the way, as tight as you can get it, and cock the drop. We've already got that done on this one. Raise that up. If you've got a flexion table, you can extend the pelvic to give yourself a little bit more room. You'll need 9/16 wrench, Phillips screwdriver. You've got one bolt that goes down through the piston and the drop block. Cock your drop. Make sure your tension is tight. Tighten that tension all the way up. Break the bolt loose. Take the bolt all the way out. Loosen your tension. Pull your cushion straight up off the table, just like that. If your ball falls out, oh no, ball didn't fall out. Lost the washer on the bolt. Okay, got 4 Phillips screws. Loosen those 4 screws. Take them all out. Take your plate right off. When you put this back together, you've got a groove here that your ball falls into, your half-inch ball falls into. Make sure you've got it lined up with your tension stud. When you put it back in, tighten your tension. Cock the drop, tighten your tension more. Just get that baby as tight as you can get it. Okay, we know we're locked into the groove, so tighten the nut on top. Loosen your tension. So now you're all lined up. You're tight, no more wobble. Pull it straight up. When you put your plate back on, make sure these 2 ears are facing to the rear of the cushion. Put your screws back in. We're just going to reverse the steps that we did when we took it all apart. Make sure you get them Phillips head screws good and tight, because they like to work themselves loose. And we recommend about every 6 months, just take a Phillips screwdriver, a set of wrenches, and go through and just make sure things are tight. Hoses, collars, grease things that need to be greased, wipe off old grease, put new grease on. This also will help in putting new cushions on your table. Same thing, same steps to follow. Tighten the tension. Cock the drop. Tighten the tension, get it good and tight. Put your bottom bolt in. Tighten her up. Loosen your tension. No more wobble. You're good to go. Thanks for watching. Have